G'day everyone, in this video I'm out here for 3 days in the remote Australian Alps, the high country. We have a snowstorm on the way. We have to try and survive, erect a shelter. We only have limited supplies with us, a couple of kilos of meat and a couple of litres of red wine. It's going to be tough. I've got a couple of mates with me and we're going to see if we can get through this and make it out of here alive. Keep watching to see what happens. G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. And for this video, a bit of an adventurous one. I'm with the silly swagman over there, and I'm also with my mate Tim. And we're sledding out to an area in the high country. So we're going to be hunkering down in the stove tent. And yeah, this trip's going to be interesting. See how we go. Not a lot of snow coverage at the moment, but we'll be getting a snowstorm coming in, so there'll be heaps of snow when we walk on the way out. And we're struggling a bit with these toboggans.
Okay, yeah.
These guys putting the snowshoes on.
Yeah.
And these are my old school things, but I'm starting to think I didn't really need them. Oh. When you hit these sections where there's no snow cover, it's pretty bloody hard. Lucky I'd waxed up this toboggan with beeswax beforehand. It's just, that's the high country for you. It's just unexpected. I thought there'd be heaps of snow up here, so that's all right. Alright, I think we found the spot where we're gonna set up. So I just want to thank our home camp as well for making this video happen, for sending out the hot tent and the stove so that we can do this kind of camping. And later on in this video, I'm going to go over a bit of the history of the hot tent and the teepee kind of bell tent, and you'd be surprised that it actually goes back further than you might think in Australian history as well. But anyway, I reckon it's time to set this little area up. My bedding and everything in here as well.
Yeah, that's a smart idea. Oh yeah, no, I'll set, no worries. I'll get right onto it. You need to do the pole?
No, they're done first. Mate, chop chop. Oh jeez, bushy. Oh, might be careful with that hole.
We need a pack. Do you sort of have to pull them a bit tight? Or?
Yep, pull them tight. Nice and taut.
I'll just sleep in the fetal position anyway. Do you want to do all the guy lines or just...
More, mate, to make this thing bloody secure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, plenty of room. I'll get the stove going.
Yeah.
And then we start feasting.
And then we just get into the food. Yeah. Rip open the cookies and
And this is the thing about Australian snow. It's bloody wet.
you want to set up the A-frame here?
There's the stove. We're in business. The stove is set up. I'm just going to clear the ground a bit for these fellas because I've kind of messed it up and it's not very flat to sleep on. How's this bloody setup? This is awesome.
Yeah, it's good. The bushcraft.
Unfortunately, it's just raining. If you look outside, really need that weather to get a bit colder so that rain can just turn to snow. But you know, it's good being sheltered under here. Man, this is it's rough. Australian snow is rough. All right, time to get back into getting this firewood all sorted. Oh, it's snowing!
Back, mate.
Finally!
Snow's coming in.
That's what we want. Oh, look at that! Woohoo!
Yeah, it's good.
That looks
Here
cool.
it comes.
Oh, beautiful. Funny how snow just boosts the morale so much more than rain.
Yeah.
I've just nominated Matsy to do the fire, since he's got his little fire instructional videos
Yeah,
on YouTube.
yeah.
Knows what he's doing.
This is why I don't do them, because this stuff happens to you.
It's pretty tight in here and it's wet and it's cold and it's raining.
And we've got 2 more days of it.
Shoot.
I knew this would come in handy. Go through the canvas. Oh, this is cozy.
And I brought out one of these so we don't die in the night from carbon monoxide poisoning.
Alright, so I guess I'm sleeping in my sled.
Let me feel that sheepskin. Ooh, she's a thick one.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's really bad, is it?
That's just, that's a new smell for me. Yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah, I don't like it.
I accidentally, the meat that I brought in
Sorry, you shouldn't
soaked
get it.
and the blood went all over my socks. So they're wet, so I'm trying to dry them out, but they smell bad.
Oh. And whatever the other one's called, Mackworth or something. That's more.
It actually takes a while to heat up.
What meat you got going on over there?
Bit of,
Bushranger?
bit of Samba backstrap right here.
Nice.
With some red wine on top.
Nice. Off your property?
Yeah, that's it.
You bloody beauty.
It's actually better for fire.
Sounds good to me. Oh no. So it begins.
Does anyone want barbecue sauce with it?
Yeah, it'll help.
Oh, yum. Thanks, mate.
Slab of meat. Pass us your plate.
Thank you. Oh, beer and meat. It's like cavemen in here, eh?
Yeah.
Couple of tippies.
Making your breakfast, packing up and keep walking and enjoy the scenery. And
Alright, well we're just enjoying a drink. Keeping the fire going all night. And still kind of raining, snowing, sleeting outside, but that's pretty much it from us. See you in the morning. Look at that. The doggies come through here in the night. Oh, good morning everyone. Well, we kept the fire going all night and it came down, you know, it just kept snowing all night. A few centimetres of snow. These plains were all grass yesterday, so it's nice to see a nice covering snow. Today, forecast is not meant to snow too much, but then again at night time and tomorrow it's going to be snowing, so I'm glad we brought a bag of kindling to get things going. But the wood here is just soaked. Oh, my fingers, it's so cold. What's going on in here?
One comes in, one leaves.
And all the snow has melted around here. I was kind of right on the edge of my bed here, but all the snow's melted and there's all this rabbit poo that's been revealed. That's pretty funny. It's legit a bit of a mess in here, that's for sure. Plan for today. I think they want to get a big fire going outside. There's a bit of a break in the weather today before the snow comes back in tonight. And then maybe we'll go for a little bit of a wander, bit of an explore. Coffee. Here comes the sun, little darling. Ah, it's beautiful. Good job, mate. Just 3 more loads like that.
You know, you guys just walk around with your cameras and make sure you're nice and warm. Yeah. To be honest, it didn't make it taste better. It just made me feel like a bigger man.
Yeah. Ah, lovely with the sun. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what's the gear I've got for this trip. If we come inside here, I might have to crank that ISO.
When worlds collide.
Uh-oh, someone else is filming here. So, it's hard to see, but anyway, 2 sheet. I've got a Jack Stillman ground sheet, wax canvas ground sheet, 2 sheepskins to sleep on, and that was enough insulation for me. I've got my cotton duck down quilt under there. For clothing, I'm just using the peak oil hemp and cotton base layer, and then just some woolen shirts from Pendleton, and also the possum merino knit from Peak Oil, and yeah, and then the Jack Stillman wax canvas poncho over the top for rain protection, and that's pretty much it.
Yeah, I reckon like, yeah, maybe.
Look at that bad boy that I was sleeping on.
What's it got? Big spider.
Building me bed up. Good work, Tim. That's the spirit. Yeah. Alright. I'm going for a bit of a walk because I'm on water duty. Fill up our water containers. There's a creek a little bit up the road, so that we walked in on. Oh yeah, there's brekkie, boys. Bit of bacon, bit of sausage.
But it didn't take long to keep going again.
It's all on over here.
Thank you.
What you got going?
That took a bit of effort, that.
Yeah, I can imagine it would have. Whew, starting to snow. Let's see what Matsy's got over here.
Bacon dog.
Oh, bacon dog.
Yes, please. I'll have one of these.
Is it Friday yet, mate? You bet you're pretty keen to knock off work.
Now, I'd like to talk a little bit about the history of the teepee hot tent. Now, there is some dispute about where this originated from in regards to Europe, but we do know that there was a Henry Hopkins Sibley in the mid-1800s, and he was a military officer in the US, and he came up with the idea of the Sibley tent based on what he saw from the Comanche tribes, the Native Americans, where they had these teepee tents with like buffalo hide skins around it and an opening at the top where smoke could come out because they'd have their fires in the center. Now, of course, the hot tent is based on ancient styles of tents that indigenous people around the world have used. But yeah, Henry Hopkins Sibley, he got the idea from the Comanche tribe. And so in 1856, he patented the Sibley tent, and this was used in the Civil War with the Union Army. Used quite a lot. Now, he also came up with the Sibley stove, which is a conical shape stove which was used as a way to heat up the inside of the tent in cold climates. And this is the origins of the modern day teepee hot tent. Now, somewhere down the line, the teepee tents ended up having walls around it, which kind of created the modern day bell tent that we know today. But the Sibley tent and that teepee design of tent has been used for a long time in European history because it's a great way to shed snow, it's a great way to shed rain, and it works really good with the stove inside it. Now, you'd be surprised that we actually have a bit of history ourselves in Australia with the Sibley tent. Now, the ANZACs in World War I would often use the Sibley teepee tent and bell tent out on the front on the while fighting the war, and of course this tent became quite popular amongst the troops and therefore also became quite known in Australia history as well. So you'd be surprised to know that this style of tent and this style of setup actually dates back quite a fair bit in our own Australian history. So it is great to get out here in a canvas teepee tent with a hot stove, knowing that there is a lot of heritage and history behind such a setup. And I want to thank Home Camp for sending this tent out to me to be able to try it out in such an environment. It's been really good. It's amazing to have a nice warm tent in such a inhospitable climate, really, because it's wet and it's cold and it's dangerous out here, but inside the tent you are snug and warm.
I thought you were going to roll backwards. Can't wait to wash that back.
Yeah, I've been getting that as well.
The needle nose pliers.
Just for pliers
and stuff, yeah.
That's for the Well, be kindling here.
Pardon?
This stuff is so good.
Yeah.
snowfall. I mean, it's not a blizzard, but it's pretty cool.
I've just been chilling here for the last 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so, just feeling really off, really sick, like felt bad headache, nauseous, kind of got the shakes. I don't know, I was sick the last week, so I don't know if it's something from that that's still hanging around, but starting to feel a little bit better now. But man, it's, you take it for granted just not getting sick outdoors when camping, so when you do feel sick it's like, oh, especially in such a cold environment like this. But I'm feeling alright.
These days, obviously it's fucking impossible for most people to do it, but now I'm like, when I hear of it,
Jeez, snow's coming in now. It's a nice steady snow. It's beautiful. Really is beautiful out here. Man of the hour here.
bloody gloves in the hole.
Oi, oi. That's the way to go, man. I can get a few more of them and you'll be set. Alright, it's about that time. Tim's getting it ready. What do we got? Sausage?
Sausages, lamb chops, mash.
Just a feast for the next 2 hours.
Yeah, and mint jelly.
This is why when doing this kind of camping, I would recommend taking the vinyl floor off these tents.
Yeah.
And just having it straight on the ground.
Oh.
Take it easy, mate. Don't lose me. Whoa. 1, 2. Oh, out. Look at that.
Yum. Get some bloody jelly up there.
Oh, you missed some. I think this deserves a beer.
Mmm.
I don't know. Oh man.
I reckon one of the funniest things watching like YouTubers is watching you eat.
Yeah. Watching how you eat.
Watching you eat's hilarious.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And may all your dreams come true. Cheers.
Very good.
Night 2. Yeah, night 2.
Next up on the menu, what's that?
Cheese.
What do you call these things?
Zucchini.
A zucchini. Is that a vegetable?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't eat those.
What do you want, Luke?
I don't eat 2. No, we'll have 2 each, yeah? Or you want to eat your steak? Next up is some waffles. Waffles for dessert.
Oh.
Very heritage, this. We eat marshmallow later.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Well, good night. Slept pretty much right through. We didn't stoke the fire all night last night because Tim didn't collect enough wood, so we thought we probably would just have to sleep through it. But no, we were a bit wrecked, so it was good just sleeping. And I stoked the fire up around 5 o'clock because I was a bit cold. Tim was having nightmares of wild dogs walking around the tent, so he was a little bit scared, but that's alright. It is scary out here sometimes for some folk, but yeah.
Luke gave them a cuddle, so that was alright.
So we're all good now. We're having some coffee and some tea, and it's been snowing kind of consistently all night. The tent is a little bit snowy, a little bit icy. Not a huge amount of snow, but enough that it's going to be a fun pack up, that's for sure.
At this point, I'm already like, I'm into the army. I've passed all fitness tests and everything. I'm waiting for my enlistment date.
Oh.
And so really trying to like get them to chill out. And the Amber who came,
Oh, we get sorted here, hey? What a mess. Fuel to help us get out of here.
What's that?
Talking to the camera.
Man. Bloody winter wonderland out here. Lots of snow coming down, that's for sure. Woo. It is beautiful. Look at it. Have a look outside right now. It's so beautiful. There's not a breath of wind, but it's just snowing, like decent snow, hey? Time for the hardest part of the trip. The bloody pack up. Yep. Yep. Yeah, that's right. Chuck them all in. Some torch in there, same as that side. Still. No, I rolled it around in the snow. Oh, look at her. Yep. She's a bit bloody, bit snowy.
And we're off. Goodbye, plane. What a trip. Full belly.
This is what it's about. Following in their footsteps. Let them create the path. Oh, hope we can get out of here okay with the car.
We've done it again.
There it is.
Oh, hasn't started yet, has it?
There she is. Oh boy, we've got a mission to get out of here now. Alright guys, we're back and she's really coming down. We're going to try and get out of here nice and slowly because yeah, the roads will be, it's going to be an interesting one. The adventure may still continue, but thanks, a bit blurry. Thanks for watching the video guys. Subscribe if you haven't. We're going to get out of here.